just wanted to show the carpet because it's like a green center, and then I have like these layers of yellow and like a black wall, and so I just wanted to share because it's symbolic. I am currently traveling in the Azores still. I have left the haunted house. That was a really, really big challenge for me to be with my own stress and anxiety that I kind of like create myself, or like it's like this the things that scare me, like all of it, just it was really shaking me when I was there. And then I came to this house after I was for a week. I was in the haunted house, just like a very intense energy house, let's say, very confronting, symbolic, and I endured it for a week. I didn't run away because this is like my new way of kind of, this is my challenge. My current challenge is to sit with my own discomfort and just sit with it. If it becomes too much, of course, I will not force myself to endure pain on purpose or something, but if it's presenting itself to me and I'm like, I feel like I can do this, I can do this challenge of just sitting with it, then I will just stay and keep going. And that's what I did. And then I came to this house, and this house is a total, completely different vibe. And I'm still experiencing my fears, but I feel like supported in this place. And when I arrived, a woman, Maria is her name, and she not invited me, but like, well, she welcomed me, and it was like with such a beautiful, loving energy and a smile, and it just made me feel immediately like, like I can take a deep breath, and it's just so beautiful. And so her essence is also a little bit in this house, because it used to be her grandmother's house that she renovated for tourism. And so yeah, it's I have a little garden here. It's shared with another house that's on the property, but behind the garden is like some type of a river, but it's not. There's not a lot of water in it. Only when it rains a lot. So it's like a dry river, and then behind that is like a really, really, really big, old, wise tree. Like it's vibrating, like boom, boom, like the deep tones, you know, like it's like yeah, it's I'm in the circle of this tree, and it's like a powerful, strong tree, and it's big also. And it's like, when I look at it, it's almost, there's a lot of birds coming and going, and it's almost like it's a city, like it's its own yeah, it has like its own ecology and its own habitat. It's like a totality. And yeah, wait, I'm getting distracted. by the energy of the tree, but I've always loved trees, and I have like a special connection with plants, you know, like some people have really special connections with animals, and while I do feel animals, I have like this very particular sense with plants. So yeah, I've been in this house, it's been better. I've been slowly, my body had to like kind of calm down or like readjust to all the stress from the previous 10 days with the haunted house, and before just arriving here was also, I told you I think in the last video, all this stuff. And so my body really needed some time for this to like come down from that edge slowly. And so I gave it some time. And yeah, I'm craving celery. I've been laughing with some of the people I know that I want celery and they don't sell it here. They don't sell the celery, they don't have it. Well, maybe if I drive like to the capital, which is, it's not that far, it's maybe an hour and a half of driving, but still I just, you lose like 3 hours of your day maybe just to get celery. So I'm not doing that, but I'm craving it, and I'm like struggling a bit that I cannot feed my body with the things that it's craving for, which makes me so grateful for home where I live, that I have access to all of these amazing foods in the stores, all these vegetables. They have a lot of fruit here, but my body is not asking for fruit right now. I want vegetables, and they just don't have so much variety of vegetables here at all, like not at all. But it's actually like missing that so much here is like really making me feel the gratitude for the choices I have at home, which before I came here I took it for granted, and I didn't really respect all of the choices that I have at home in vegetables, and I was like too lazy to go to the store and really take good care of my body. And I still sometimes, you know, it's gonna be a journey with me and taking care of my body. It's gonna be a journey, because and that is it's like a hard thing for me. It's just to take that energy of my day to go to a store, and sometimes it seems so like a waste of time almost, but I'm really feeling the gratitude here for that part, so that's good. And then I want to talk also about something else I'm experiencing here, and I think I touched a bit on it in the last video, but like it's an ongoing thing with me being scared from men. Like if I want to go to get something in the store here in this town, I need to walk by this cafe, and where all like the men from the town come to drink. And so every time I need to walk past the cafe, and all the men are on the street basically. And I'm like a tourist, like a blonde, very white tourist. That's just I stick out like a sore thumb. I think it's something they say. I'm very obviously different, and I don't like. I'm like a really stranger in the town. So I already attract so much attention, but like each time I need to walk through it, and then going back I need to walk through it again, and it's just I've been watching my reaction like inside of me, and like the fear I feel, like it's almost like instinct, like fear. Yeah, there's a part of the brain that is like, I think I've heard they call it the reptile brain, or like it's maybe in the gray matter, I'm not sure. There's like a part of our brain that is like still there from the times when we were living in the woods, and like we're just attuned to where is the danger. And so I feel like I'm in the process of not overriding, because that's a bit of a mean way to approach this, or a hard way, but like taking a look at that part of me that's like instinctively really scared of certain situations, in certain situations, and I'm just holding it and watching it, but it's very, very uncomfortable. I've been here for maybe 5 or 6 days almost now, so like, and almost every day I went to the store to get a little something. So I don't know. I haven't figured this one out. This is my process right now. So yeah, fear when I'm alone. But actually, I've been thinking of, like, what am I afraid of? Like, I'm afraid to become a victim of something, like that something else has more power over me and can or will overpower me, or this is a possibility that something can overpower me and hurt me in some kind of way. And yeah, the focus. I could have this type of fear around anything, right? But this is just specifically between me and the male part of our society. And yeah, it's like that fear of something that can overpower me. Like I'm not powerful enough, or something like that. I'm figuring it out. I'm just figuring it out. And I know a lot of women struggle with this. I know, so this is why I feel like it's important also for me. This is presenting in my life right now, so I feel like instead of running away from it, and instead of giving in or reacting to it, like reacting to it would be like mad at the man, but I don't want to be mad at the man. I love the man. And so but there is drinking involved with these type of with this type of situation, these type of men that are there are like a little bit intoxicated. So when people are like, when alcohol is involved, you know, the threat you feel, the threat, yeah, it goes up because people have less filters or less. Yeah, I mean, the devils come out, the shadows come out, and so does mine in that type of energy. So it's very interesting, and so I think I will be proceeding this process further because I'm almost leaving the islands. I'm slowly saying goodbye to all of this, and this island has kind of stolen my heart. I kind of fell in love with it, and it sounds weird because when I'm gonna go back home and people ask me how was your trip, it was horrible. It was excruciatingly painful, and I kind of enjoyed the process. That's just because I know that I'm growing like big time, and that's what makes me happy. And I don't know how to explain this to anyone. Yeah, without triggering, you know, people's fears, because I'm really down in there facing my demons, and not a lot of people are doing that. I understand them. It's really scary. Definitely to take the first step is like very, very intense. And so yes, this island has opened a lot of new layers. It's been like it's been showing me a lot more than I can digest in this period that I was here. It's been showing me so much of my shadows, my pain, my fears. A lot of fears came to light here on this island, and I want to thank this island for just showing me in a loving way. Yeah, because it's very green here, and I'm sitting on the green dot, the green center, and I am exploring, softly opening my heart chakra, which I also have like a little thing to share with you about. So I watched this video online about the heart chakra and some information, and there was something said about like physically the heart is encapsulated like in a water bag or something, and it's called the pericardium or something. And so like it's like it is encapsulated in something, and like if we close the heart chakra, like I think most of us have probably done that in childhood or something, because we're all kind of a little distorted in a lot of ways. But this pericardium is like literally something in your body that is surrounding that heart. And if we like, in the video it said like if you close your eyes and you think about the pericardium, like the thing that is holding your heart right now, like in your body? Does it feel like stone? Does it feel like wood? Does it feel like a wall around your heart? Does it feel like glass or plastic or whatever comes to mind? And I thought it was so interesting because for me what came up was glass. And I've been feeling like my heart chakra was kind of open, but now I've come to this island and I see that my heart is still surrounded by glass, and while I am watching with my heart, I am not in it with my energy. My heart energy is not available in complete freedom, and I still feel fragile because I feel like anyone could just smash that glass wall that I have currently around my heart and hurt me. And this is also about, it's all coming together, you know, and it's not about me also like breaking into that glass, but it's about me now observing that glass around my heart and letting it be, and like just asking questions surrounding it and why it's there, and you know, just having a new, it's a new relationship. The relationship between me and the wall around my heart, and it's a glass thing, so it's like I'm still seeing other people and they can still sometimes see me, but I'm not walking around with everyone feeling my heart, and it's just like a sad thing because it isolates me in a way. And I know I built this at some point in my past life, no, not past life, in the past of my life, to protect myself in a way. And I'm thankful for it, for protecting me in the past, you know. But I'm open for new things, and maybe it can transform into something new. And I've been thinking about the water around the heart and how the water is so sacred and it holds memories of love, and this is all surrounding my heart. And yeah, I do want to connect again with people because I'm quite of an isolated person. I like my alone time, and I'm kind of, yeah, I can entertain myself, and I love spending time with myself, but I'm missing that part of like connection with strangers, or like that openness that makes me a part of everyone, really. And it's not about me being friends with everyone, it's about me being open-hearted for any type of love that wants to come in, any type of love that wants to come out. Yeah, that's really it. But I'm kind of scared of it because I'm kind of scared of getting hurt somehow, which is hurting me. And I think probably releasing that, I'll sometime in the future I'll see or feel that I just am a part of all the love, and it's powerful in its own, and it's not even able to get hurt because pure love is just love. in a way. And I'm saying that, but I'm still in the process of really finding that truth, feeling it, breathing it into my body. Yes, okay. I wish you all a really good day and time, and I'll see you back in Belgium. Bye.